one are you using?
Fronter face.
What?
Fronter face.
Fronter face?
Yep.
And it shows the layers?
Yeah. Ugly.
What if I get in there real quick? Oop.
Sorry.
I love it. You got like 8 cameras pointing at your printer right now as you adjust things with your tweezers. You're smashing the first layer down.
Yeah.
You have to do that every time? Because I don't want one anymore now.
It's about adjustments.
Yeah, you gotta. I just manually zero the Z every time I print.
Does it have like a homing switch?
It does.
Cross
You
the
kept
wires?
tension on the filament the whole time. If you accidentally get the filament to go underneath another part of the filament, you will be fighting that roll for the rest of that roll.
Half making a square piece and then folding up a certain thing.
So you just need to
and
trim
putting
off
them all
the
together
little
to make the mender sponge.
excess
And
here?
I got an L1.
Sticky.
Oh, it's a multiple piece print.
Yeah.
That explains why it doesn't look anything like the picture I saw.
He has.
It has 3 parts.
Is it supposed to have these weird strings?
No.
Here, that's it.
That's a lot of string.
Oh no, I left them on
I
there
need to tweak my retraction,
on purpose.
I think, a little more.
More retraction is good. Get it as high as you can without it like completely skipping steps.
That's
Let's see.
really nice though.
In this
Pretty
one.
cool, huh?
Yeah.
There we go.
Are you going to put that on top of your house so flames don't hit it?
No, that's going to be my emergency light.
Is it almost done?
Anyone here know Max?
And
A little bit.
and
Okay. What you did?
It should be. They calibrated it half a dozen times.
Is there a problem with retracting a little bit farther and then wrapping and then going down through depth? Probably a federal rule.
No, there's some settings for that.
National
moving
security
up
is going to have
before you move.
traceable everything. You might want to set it to move up a fraction of an inch. I mean, it's probably in that.
Now you screw your camera up onto this part. And this slides in and then this locks it.
Okay. What's that?
anything good?
There's a wood off. I hate wood offs. Waste my life and my money.
They didn't really anything cool on it.
Yeah, for a while. Did you see the link for the lunchbox?
Yeah, but I didn't buy the link for the drive that I really wanted, so.
I like it. I like it a lot. What was it? Phone or camera?
Alrighty.
Hey,
I'll get
Dad.
another
So
camera.
we're cooling it off. Good. Multiple cameras. Shoot. That's
Yeah,
awesome.
he's plugging it in now. That's the one that's in the roof is flat.
Moink.
You've got it plugged in.
Sweet.
Anything happening on your end? You're looking at? Is there a light on? Is the light going green? Yeah, there should be a green.
Any,
there should be a
uh,
green light.
Do you need that for anything?
Yeah, there'll be some cleanup for you.
Okay.
Try, wait for a second. He's gonna ping it to green again.
Yeah, well, I think that'll work.
Awesome.